2018 Subaru Outback. With less than 75,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It includes ample space for all passengers and comes with the following: all-wheel drive, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, rear spoiler, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, aluminum wheels, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor. We'll help you find exactly what you're looking for.